Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we'll be going over how you can change your name and your appearance in PUBG Mobile. Before we get any further to the video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to How to Authority for more tips and tricks videos like this. So let's start with resetting your appearance. So you can't do this right away. You need to earn some BP, which is a type of in-game currency you get from leveling up. And you need 3000 BP so you can change your appearance. And you get that by leveling up. There are also some different tricks you can use to get this BP. So you can link your Facebook account, which grants you 2000 BP, so you're almost at that 3000 mark. Then there's some surveys you can complete that give you 188, and then there's always weekly challenges that you can do to earn this BP. Now, once you have the money necessary to upgrade your appearance, you want to open the app and go to the home screen, the main menu, then select your inventory from the menu at the bottom, and then tap the appearance button that appears right next to your character. Then make the changes you want to make to your character, tap OK, and confirm the purchase, and then you're good to go. Your appearance is now changed and you've used some of your BP. Now, you used to not be able to change your name actually, but they have added this so you can change your name once a day if you have these rename cards. They actually cost UC in the game, another in-game currency you can buy, so it's around $5 if you need to buy it, but you also get these rename cards for free by leveling up. So if you have these rename cards, go into the home screen and select inventory again, then tap the crate icon on the right hand side and then tap the rename card if you have any, and then tap use. Then you can enter your new name, tap OK, and you can do this once a day. And these rename cards cost 180 UC if you buy them in the shop. That's around $5, like we said, but you earn them by leveling up as well. So yeah, that's everything you need to know about changing your appearance and your name in PUBG Mobile. I hope this helped you out. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.